Hello mga ka-planet! Welcome sa aking channel. Sa video ito, naka-screen recording mode ako kasi papakita ko sa inyo yung workabroad.ph na website. Titingin tayo mga bago nilang hiring sa abroad. Okay, let's start mga ka-planet. Click natin yung Google Chrome. So, ulitin lang natin. Type natin yung workabroad.ph and then click go. Okay, nasa homepage na tayo. Sa ngayon, kung wala kayong account dito sa website nila, pwede kayong mag-sneak peek muna ng mga job hiring nila. So, dito sa jobs by category, pwede nyo i-click itong latest jobs na nakalagay. Or no placement fee jobs, jobs by specialization, jobs for high school graduate. So, sa video ito, click ko itong jobs by country kasi titingnan ko kung anong agency yung hiring ngayon sa factory worker. Okay, dito sa search jobs, ilagay ko dito yung position na factory worker. And then, dito sa second box, hanapin ko dito yung Taiwan na country. Click ko yung Taiwan, then search. Sa mga nanonood dyan na gusto nilang mag-apply bilang factory worker sa Taiwan, panoorin niyo po yung video na ito. Makatulong to sa inyo para hindi na kayo mahirapan maghanap kung saan na agency kayo mag-apply kasi legit talaga yung mga agency na nagpo-post dito ng mga job hiring nila. So, ang dami. Okay, unahin natin from the top. The factory workers for Taiwan, vacancies nila is 700. Pinost lang nila ito noong September 17, 2019. So, yung pangalan ng agency is Jedigal International Manpower Services Incorporated. So, click natin ito. So, andyan yung mga informations. Andyan yung mga qualifications nila. Gender, any, male or female. Age, 20 years old and above. Education, at least bachelor's or college degree with or without experience. So, sa mga college graduate dyan, pwede sila mag-apply dito kahit wala silang experience. 20 years old and above. Yun ang advantage ng mga college graduate kasi kahit wala silang experience, okay na yon. Pwede silang mag-apply dito. So, andito yung mga information ng agencies. Salary offer, around 40,000. Qualification, male or female, graduate, or 2 years vocational graduate. Pwedeng vocational graduate. Must know how to communicate and write in English with or without factory experience. Ex-Taiwan is allowed. So, ito yung mga requirements nila. At least may passport ka na, valid for 2 years. NBI clearance, 6 months validity. Travel Taiwan multi-purpose clearance. Picture, 2x2 white background. Birth certificate from local civil registrar. So, pwede rin siguro itong PSA's birth certificate. So, if marriage contract, then diploma with TOR, voter's ID or certificate with receipt from Comelec Intramuros. So, unified ID, multi-purpose ID, 4-in-1 ID or stub, already applied for 3 months. If no humid, please apply to your nearest SSS branch. Okay, so andyan pa yung mga ibang info ng agency. So, kung interested kayo mag-apply, click nyo lang yung apply now. So, kung kayo ay meron ng, kung meron na kayong account dito sa workabroad.ph. Pero kung wala pa, pag click nyo yung apply now, mapuproceed kayo sa sign up page. Click nyo na lang yung sign up para, kasi kailangan may account kayo dito bago makapag-apply. Tingnan natin yung ibang agency na hiring. Factory worker, Grand Placement and General Services Corporation. Taiwan, then factory workers. So ito, factory worker, vacancies 50, and then yung agency name is Japman Corporation. Yan, click natin mga planet. So ayan. Male, 30 years old and above, at least vocational diploma or short course certificate. Experience 1 year. Nationality Filipino. Saan yung job description and requirements. Candidates must have at least vocational diploma or short course certificate. The job requires male applicants only. Minimum of 1 year's working experience is required for this position. So, qualifications must be ex-Taiwan with experience in electrical welder or CO2 welder. Must know basic Mandarin language. Okay, andyan. Yung information ng agency. Okay, tingin tayo sa iba. Itong factory workers for Taiwan na nakalagay na Jedigal International Manpower Services Incorporated, mga kaplanet. Lagi kong nakikita ito na nag-hiring sila palagi ng factory worker abroad sa bound to Taiwan. Lagi silang nag-hire dito. Lagi kong nakikitang nagpo-post mga to. So, itong factory workers na vacancies is 300, Japan Maruko International Corporation. So, click natin. Okay, makapag-login na nga mga ka-planet. So, dashboard yun ng account ng aking asawa mga ka-planet. Lagi kasing pumupunta dito sa ano eh. So, i-type na lang natin dahil nakapag-login na tayo gamit ang account ng aking asawa. I-type ko na lang dito sa keywords ang factory worker. And then, preferred country para babalik tayo doon. Taiwan. Okay, search. So, ayan, bumalik na tayo. So, saan na yung tinignan ko kanina? Yung 300 na vacancies. Ito, factory workers, vacancies 300, Japan Maruko International Corporation. So, click ko tong factory workers. Diyan. So, andyan yung expected salary offer nila. Diyan yung agency details. Principal name. Qualifications, male or female, 30 years old and above, minimum of 1 year experience. Yan. Urgent hiring, capture technology. Taiwan is urgently needed 300 male and female factory workers. Please report personally 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. for initial screening and lineup. So, yan. So, around 39,000 pesos plus overtime ang expected salary. So, andyan yung qualifications nila. Ayan. Andyan yung mga contact numbers, address ng agency. Okay. Tingin pa tayo ng iba mga planet. Sa mga interested mag-apply bilang factory worker sa Taiwan, ganitong gawin yung dito na lang kayo sa workabroad.ph mag-apply na website. Kasi talagang 100% legit sila. May mga POAA license sila. Okay, sa next page tayo. Ayan o, laging nag-hiring itong Jedigal International Manpower Services. So, andito pa. Factory workers, vacancies 300. So, electronics company siguro ito. City Employment Center Incorporated, yung pangalan ng agency. So, i-click nga natin mga planet. So, ayan yung details ng agency, address nila, then contact number. Diyan. Oh! So, interview date nila is September 3 up to September 21. So, yung mga gusto mag-apply dyan, apply na kayo. So, andyan yung mga address ng agency. Andyan yung qualifications. Kung sa tingin nyo ay qualified kayo, pumunta kayo, malay nyo matanggap kayo. So, andyan yung electronics company for Taiwan. Note, required to proceed city office to reserve your slot before pre-screening interview and exam. Qualifications. Female, 200. So, 20 years old above yata to. Height, 155 cm up or 5'1 weight. 5'1. Weight, body proportion. No tattoo good vision, at least 2 years vocational graduate. Ayan, yung mga requirements na dadalhin nyo. Then, yung address ng agency. Okay, sa mga interested mga planet, pwede na kayo mag-apply doon. Or, bago kayo pumunta doon, mag-sign up kayo dito sa workabroad.ph na site, ay na website, and then i-click nyo yung apply now. Okay, tingin tayo ng ibang factory workers na hiring. So, ito naman. Ito lagi kong nakikita tong Jedigal International na nag-hiring ng naganda kasi kahit wala kang experience basta at least college graduate ka or vocational graduate, tinatanggap nila. Tingnan natin tong factory worker male, Infinity International Manpower Services. So, ayan. At least bachelor's college degree naman. So, andyan yung mga qualifications nila mga planet. So, nasa around 39,270 yung expected salary. Ex-abroad or first-timer are welcome to apply. Andyan yung agency details. So, kung interested kayo mag-apply, apply na lang kayo dyan mga planet.